Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you ways on how to contact Paysend customer support step by step. But before we get started, if you want to save on transfer fees, you can use the invite code from the description below and your first transfer with Paysend will be completely free. So with that out of the way, let's dive in. First, you want to download and install the Paysend app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once done, simply open the app and sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. Then you want to head over to your profile. Just simply click on the icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Then from here, you want to choose Get Help. So the first method is to chat with them. To do this, just simply type in chat, then choose Get Help in the chat. As you can see, you will be in contact with the customer service or customer support of Paysend. Then the next method is by sending them an email. Now, to locate their email, just go back and scroll down, choose About Paysend, then choose Support and Contact Information, then select How Can I Contact Customer Support. From here, you can already see their email address. So that's it. Now you can reach out to Paysend's customer support for any concerns you may have. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.